Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Investigative journalist David Hundeyin have raised a very important issue about Nigerians who kept quiet over alleged corrupt act of the Tinubu administration, but are making noises that Donald Trump has withdrawn aid that's supposed to come to Nigeria through his executive orders. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. You know that since Donald Trump was sworn into office recently, he has signed a series of executive orders. One of them was the executive order stopping American aids to several countries and other organizations. That had not gone down well with Nigerians, especially those of them who are active on social media, who are active on Twitter. They have been lambasting Trump for withholding money. The way they say it, you would think that they are taxpayers in America, or that their fathers left money in America that the American government will be sending down to Nigeria. That's what we would think. They have been blasting Donald Trump for withholding money. And one of Nigeria's brightest minds in journalism, an investigative journalist, David Hundeyin, made an interesting intervention, calling them out as hypocrites, or what we call in journalism, afghanistanism. In journalism, that's what we call afghanistanism. Afghanistanism is an adage whereby you are not addressing the problem in your own country. You are not addressing a journalist who is not addressing problem in his country, but he is much more concerned about problem in another country. And Afghanistan is used as an example of a far-flung state country so far away. It's just like some people use China as an example of very far away, country. You have not addressed what is happening in your country, the challenges in your country. You are talking about China. You are talking about Afghanistan. That's known as Afghanistanism. So David Hundeyin called them out, those of them who are kicking Trump. And he made an interesting observation, which we are going to further look into here. Now, this is what David Hundeyin wrote on his verified X handle. And he didn't mention Nigeria, of course, but you will understand where he was coming from. He said, there is an African country where a few months ago, the president awarded a road contract for $9.8 billion to a construction company that has the president's son. That has the president's son on the board. The citizens of that country are currently on Twitter crying because Trump just withheld $500 million worth of medical aid that they were expecting to receive in 2025. Amazingly, the same citizens cannot see the contradiction between paragraph 1 and 2 of this tweet. Those are just two standalone issues to them. Those are just two standalone issues to them, David Hundeyin said. Now, this is David Hundeyin calling out Nigerians exhibiting afghanistanism. Now, the contracts that David Hundeyin was alluding to was the Lagos-Calabar Highway, Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. Now, this highway, coastal highway, you and I know that it has been contentious. Some people have said, is that really the major issue confronting Nigeria? And then there were also issues raised by Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Atiku Abubakar has challenged the bidding process for that contract. Atiku Abubakar has called out the Nigerian National Assembly for pretending that all is well in the process of that contract, the bidding process and everything. Atiku Abubakar may not be a saint, but at least he did that. At least he spoke out, challenging the procedure. What was the bidding process that would follow? Atiku asked. And he raised other fundamental issues. Now, this is something that concerned many of those on Twitter. Many of those on Twitter, that should be their major concern, if truly they care. But have you heard anything more about it? Those on Twitter, if they had put pressure on the National Assembly, we would have had much more details about that contract. That contract, there's a lot of opacity about it, but there was no effort to put pressure on the National Assembly to look into it. Not even the Nigerian Labour Congress or the CSOs in Nigeria. They have pretended that's the normal process. How many people bidded for Lagos-Calabar Highway, Coastal Highway? When was the bidding done? How was the bidding done? And everything. Nobody's told Nigerians anything, and Nigerians are just watching. But what is of concern to them is that Trump withheld $500 million of medical aid. But they couldn't call out their president over the allegation that he didn't follow due process in that Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. Atiku at least called him out. But how many support did he get from the Twitter mob in Nigeria? None. What does that show you? It means that a lot of people on Twitter are just hypocrites. First of all, you have to remove the log in your own eyes so that you can see clearly, to remove the peck in that of your neighbors. You have not addressed the money that concerns you directly, your taxpayers' money, your oil money that was being used to award the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, to ensure that it followed due process, to ensure that every dollar counts. But you want American dollar to be sent to you as if you're a taxpayer in America, as if there is some oil well you have in America with which America is generating the money, is doling out around the world. Well, in America, they have a new sheriff in town who is looking at the books. There is now a new king that don't know Joseph. You have to live with it. But what does that tell us? It is to keep our own house in order, to ensure that our leaders do the right thing. That's what David Hundeyin is telling Nigerians. That's what David Hundeyin is telling the Twitter mob. First of all, put attention to the dollars at home and don't bother about where the American dollar is headed to. I don't know what you think about this. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.